We have a couple quick videos. So
great.
First of all, I'll just show you guys, because people always think of drone delivery as this like, oh, it's it's science fiction. It's probably not real. It's definitely not at scale. So we'll just kind of give you guys a sense for what the scale looks like.
This is the fixed wing in Africa.
Yeah. So this is we call it Platform 1. This is what we launched in 2016. The system operates. We build these distribution centers. They have launchers and recovery systems. This is actually in Japan, where you see where we operate serving the Goto Islands with Toyota. And then this is cool. So this is, midnight, in the middle of the night at one of our distribution centers. You can see how busy the team is. This is now 2 a.m. This is fulfillment operations. So what I was describing, we were packing, loading blood, now vaccines, cancer products, infusions, transfusions, everything. This is the second distribution center in Rwanda. You can see the aircraft there on the launcher. It's launching, but it's just happening too fast. Second fulfillment center in Rwanda. You can see it's now about 7 a.m. And this is the cool part. This is the sky map. So this is the entire country that you're looking at here. Every one of these triangles is an autonomous aircraft flying itself out to deliver to all these different hospitals and health facilities in the country. Every time one of those blue dots appears, that's like a life-saving emergency order that's being placed with Zipline. We can typically have a vehicle launch delivering to that site within 2 or 3 minutes. You can see at 10 a.m. there are 50 aircraft out making deliveries simultaneously throughout the country. Yeah. I
just saw a blue one zip across wildly. What was that? One went rogue? There's another one right there.
Oh, good question. So that is our unmanned traffic management system, basically recognizing intruder aircraft.
Intruder alert.
Yeah, so that's not us. That's someone else in the airspace.
But
I took a class in college about how data travels on the internet, and it was funny. The first time I saw this sky map, I was like, wow, this is. We're creating a version of the internet,
yes,
but for real things.
These are all Cisco routers moving packets.
Exactly. It's like packets. It's like packets moving in an automated way. The funny thing about this is we would show this to investors like Jason. For many of the first years, we would show them this, and we get to the end of the presentation, we just show them the sky map, and the investors would say the coolest part of your presentation was that simulation of what this could look like one day.
Yeah.
And we got so annoyed. It was literally so violated people's concepts of what was possible that they would not believe. So this is why we now put the CCTV on the right side, so people can actually see the teams doing the work with the clock to get a sense for this happens day in, day out. The crazy thing is this video was made about a year ago. We've doubled in scale in Rwanda.
Give us an
over
idea
the last year.
How many miles they're traveling. I'm watching.
So we now have, these vehicles will travel. We basically guarantee an 100-mile radius around the distribution center. So these vehicles can fly 100 miles out, 100 miles back, plus we save 100 miles of margin. So if you really wanted to go for it, the aircraft in good weather could fly about 300 miles in a
return trip, yeah.
Yeah.
But these look like these are 50 miles or something on average? 100,
yeah, I think probably on average you're seeing 50, 70, 80-mile deliveries here.
It's easier than ever to build a great new product. And launching a startup, even as a solopreneur, is getting easier and easier. But as my experienced founders already know, there's a lot more to starting a company than just putting up a website or even building a product. If you're serious about going into business, you need a Delaware C Corp. That's going to give you a serious leg up on your competition, and you can be taken seriously by investors. That's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. Just a few clicks, they're going to give you the perfect start to your new enterprise. A real identity, a domain, a custom website, a business email, all the public filings done, and even a phone number. And you'll complete this process in under 10 minutes. Plus, you're going to get all sorts of free tools and resources, from step-to-step guides, compliance reminders, and an online account that's going to keep everything organized, even as your business grows. So get all the advantages of a Delaware C Corp, regardless of where in the US you're operating out of. NorthwestRegisteredAgent.com/twist.